Welcome to or welcome back to Sow Grow. My name is Luke. Today I am mowing overgrown trails. This whole area saw some floodwaters for most of July and into August, and with other flood related issues, this place has just kind of been left to grow wild for the last couple of months. So today I'm finally getting to it, and I'm going to mow these trails. There's about 3 miles of trails and maybe ½ acre of parking lots and trailheads. So let's get after it. Today we're running the John Deere 1580 4-wheel drive 72-inch deck. These mowers are awesome. They were made for terrain like this. I've put about 500 hours on it. A little over a year. These are bat houses, by the way. They're made to mimic loose bark on dead trees, which is kind of cool. Showed some footage earlier of me mowing through this main trail that goes to the parking lot. It gets really thick with willows, and they really grow fast and encroach on the trail. And this area down in here too also had standing water up until, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. But anyway, beautiful day out. Let's get these trails mowed. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps. Thanks. Like this, I'll mow with the deck raised for the first pass, and then I'll go back with the deck all the way down for the second pass. Usually works out pretty well. Overall, the John Deere 1580 has been a fairly reliable mower. We did have to replace the gearbox and a spindle, and we also had a starter go out, but that was replaced under warranty. Do a before and after. So here obviously is the before. This trail stretches down that way, probably ½ mile or so. So there's your after. Not a whole lot we can do about the clippings. They'll decompose. Do about a 10-foot wide path. So that's about a mower width and a half. So each trail has to be gone down twice, down and back. It's a little three-way junction. And now we're gonna head back this way and finish this side of the trail. Glad I saw this turtle. Could have ran him over. Come here, dude. We'll get you out of here. Hey, wait. Here we go. You're heading this direction, so we'll send you this direction. See ya, buddy. Okay, this set of trails is done. Parking lot 2. Next trail and parking lot is up the bluff over there. And there's only one way to get there. You get to take the mower on the road. Parking area here. And then down this trail. This is where the trail is. Thanks for coming along with me today. Stay tuned for my next video, which I will be talking about how I may never buy another Kioti ever again.